One of the interesting things about being able to say you've been an individual contributor in a startup to now leading a global team is you've got a lot of perspective on what works and what doesn't. PitchBook Data is the leading provider of financial data and research with a specific focus on the private capital markets as well as the debt capital markets. My main priority as the head of sales at PitchBook is to ensure at all times that we are putting our reps in a position to be successful.
My teams are really focused on creating value for our customers, working on upsells, renewals, and really driving business within our existing accounts.
When I started at PitchBook, the sales team was about 10 people. We have grown now to almost 800 reps globally.
We hire hundreds of people a year, and it's critical that they're onboarded quickly and effectively. So the team that I work with is about 600 people through Seattle, San Francisco, New York, London, Hong Kong, Singapore, and then a few others spread across the globe. Before Gong, everything was very manual. We would need people to shadow calls, hope that a demo would show up, hope it was a good demo, that there was good questions. It became increasingly difficult to get people ramped up, to get them the knowledge they needed to do their job well, to understand what good looks like. And so we looked for a tool like Gong to help us really scale the business.
The great thing about Gong is the tremendous amount of time saving it creates. On average at PitchBook, our demonstrations might take 50 minutes to an hour. In that hour, there might be 5 minutes of coachable opportunity for a manager to be able to provide to a rep. Pre-Gong, that would take 50 minutes to get to that 5 minutes. Gong, it takes 5 minutes. So Gong has given us 10x the amount of efficiency.
So the time saved, I would put in the hundreds, if not thousands of hours, both for managers and for individual reps. We can really be selective on, this was a really good call. Let's get this in front of a broad audience, someone who's onboarding, maybe someone who needs additional training. We can, within minutes, serve something up to someone that's really beneficial to their career growth. We were able to scale knowledge across the organization, so it's been a game changer in that regard.
Our market is constantly evolving. What our clients need is constantly evolving. Our product is constantly evolving. What works, what doesn't work is constantly evolving.
The product team is one of the heaviest users of Gong. So before, if we wanted to change something, we really wanted to understand what a customer was doing with PitchBook. And there was a lot of opinions, a lot of, hey, I think the customer wants this, or hey, I think the customer asked for that. And now with Gong, it allows us to have that real-time data, and it's transformed how we're able to capture that feedback and use that data more effectively.
If you are not continuously learning, the industry, our market, our product, our data will pass you by. Gong allows us to be able to take that massive amount of unstructured information and bring it to light in ways that make sense and are actionable.
It allows us to hear exactly what our customers are asking for or the feedback they're providing. We're always looking to get better, to push the envelope.
We are in the business of helping our clients win. Gong helps us understand what that means.